Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will be discussing how to use the Curve tool in Adobe Illustrator to create and edit curves and shapes. To create a curve, select the Curve tool from the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. The Curve tool icon looks like a curved line. Click on your artboard and drag your mouse to create a curve. You will notice that the curve follows the path of your mouse. Click on the first point to close the shape. You can adjust the shape or curve by clicking and dragging the handles. To change the position of a curve, simply select Selection tool and drag it to a new location on your artboard. This is useful when you want to adjust the position of a shape or object. To adjust a shape, you can use the Curve tool to manipulate the curves that make up the shape. Select the shape you want to adjust and then click on the Curve tool. Click and drag the handles on each end of the curve to adjust the curvature. You can also add new points to a curve by clicking on the curve and then clicking on the point where you want to add a new point. You can adjust the new point by clicking and dragging its handles. To create a corner in a curve, select the curve and hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. Click on one of the handles on the curve. You will notice that the curve is now cornered, creating an angle in the curve.
Thanks for watching. Please click bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Please click bell icon and subscribe the channel.